Hi guys, I hope you guys can see me well. I am getting ready to do a review on a tool that I ordered from Amazon. Not that you need it, but I'm a little extra, so I wanted it. So I got a smash burger smasher. Guess that's what I'm gonna call it. But yeah, it's by Bodkar. Bodkar. Yeah. So anyway, it has a wood handle and it has a stainless steel plate. And I chose black because it's my favorite color. And then plus I didn't know how the stainless steel was gonna hold it. So I just gotta put it together now. It even came with an Allen wrench. And I think I paid like $4.99 or $5.99. But yeah, it has all the parts to it or whatever that you're gonna use to put it together. So here we go again. I'm always putting something together.
Hey guys, welcome back, and if you would be so kind as to hit the subscribe button, it will help out the channel a lot.
I'm gonna get some better lighting in here for you guys. So it comes with 3 screws, the Allen wrench, it doesn't say whether it's upside down or upside right, but I'm just gonna put it on there. So I'll do this like so. And because you're smashing it down, I'm sure the screws go on top. This is gonna be crazy. You know what? Let me try to screw them in with my hands first, and then get them down there, and then I'll tighten them up with the Allen wrench. Last 2 screws gave me the dickens. However, it is now all put together, and why don't we try and test this baby out. Before I forget, I will put the link down in the description box in case you guys are interested in getting one of these. I'm wondering, since it's, you know, a cookware, should this have been seasoned or whatever, but I'm gonna use some cooking spray anyway, so right now I'm not even worried about seasoning it. But yeah, I'll leave the link down in the description box below. I have a lot of links. I order a lot from Amazon, but I'm not even trying to make any money off this thing or whatever, because it's not how I earn my living. However, I will leave the link down in the description box for you guys if you're interested, so you can just go to it quickly and see if there's something you're interested in using. All right, I put some oil on there. I doubt if it will, but let's see if it'll kind of season it a little bit. It ain't doing nothing. And are you guys ready to smash? I'm gonna go ahead and smash. Oh, which one I put on that one first? Ooh, yeah. Nope. So I'm glad I bought this out. Okay. All right. Okay. Look at you, girl. Look at you, girl. Now, this is the first time I ever did smash burgers ever before. I gotta get you guys a close up on this goodness. Ooh. Yes. So, smashing the burgers with this versus this. Oh yeah, I'm satisfied. I'm gonna give it 5 being my top. A 5. Ooh. And thank you guys for sharing my review with the smash burger tool. Until next time, keep on trucking to your next campsite or your next outdoor adventure.